Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the find function in Excel. The find function is used to locate the position of a specific substring within a text string. It returns the position of the first character of the substring in the text string, making it an essential tool for text manipulation and data cleaning. This function is particularly useful when you need to find specific information within a cell, such as locating a word in a sentence or a specific character in a string of text. Let's dive in. Here's what each part of the find function means. Find text, the text you want to find within another text string. It can be a single character, a word, or any substring. Within text, the text string that contains the text you want to find. This is the string where find text is searched for. Start num, optional, the position in within text where the search should begin. The default is 1, meaning the search starts at the first character. This argument is useful if you want to start searching from a specific character position within the string. Let's start by setting up our data. Imagine you have a list of customer comments in column A, and you want to find the position of a specific word in each comment to help with data analysis. In cell A1, you have the customer comment, "The service was excellent." You want to find the position of the word service within this text. In cell B1, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen. Here's an explanation. Find text, service is the text we want to locate within the string. Within text, A1 refers to the cell containing the text, "The service was excellent." This argument is omitted, so the search starts at the first character of the text string. Press Enter, and Excel will return 5, indicating that the word service starts at the 5th character position in the text. Next, suppose you want to find the position of the second occurrence of the letter E in the text string, "The service was poor." In cell A2, you have the text, "The service was poor." To find the second occurrence of E, we need to start the search after the first E. In cell B2, enter the formula displayed at the bottom of the screen. Here is an explanation. Find text, E, is the character we want to locate. Within text, A2 refers to the cell containing the text. "The service was poor." Start num, find EA2 plus 1, specifies that the search should start immediately after the first E. Press Enter, and Excel will return 6, indicating that the second occurrence of E is at the 6th character position. The find function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Data cleaning. Quickly locate specific characters or substrings in a text to clean or manipulate data. Text parsing. Use find to identify the position of delimiters or specific words when splitting text strings into separate components. Error checking. Combine find with other functions to check for the presence of specific text and handle errors or missing data effectively.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.